Hello students, my name is Deepak Gamwa, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. So, I'll take your marketing management class. So, you all are MBAs, right? Okay, you're going to be MBA. Fine. So, in today's lecture, I will teach you what is customer value. Okay, what is customer value? What is the definition of customer value? This all I will teach you. So, customer value is a service and marketing concept which analyze the level of satisfaction a customer receives from making a purchase. Additionally, it attempts to assess the likelihood as to whether the consumer will make repeat purchases for an ongoing business entity. Okay, so organization tend to analyze customer value in an attempt to solidify their customers base, analyze the performance of their products along with marketing tools their products for effectively. देखिए कस्टमर्स की क्या वैल्यू होती है। आपका बिजनेस ही तभी सक्सेसफुल होगा जब आपके लिए कस्टमर्स की वैल्यू होगी। जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि कस्टमर जो है हमारा भगवान है, राइट। तो ऐसे तो आएगा नहीं, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, उसके आपको उसकी आफ्टर परचेज सर्विस भी देनी पड़ेगी। आप अगर कस्टमर खुश होगा तभी तो आपके पास वापस आएगा, राइट। तो देखिए कस्टमर वैल्यू द बिजनेस एंड मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, ठीक है, विच एनालाइज द लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन। देखिए सेटिस्फैक्शन बहुत जरूरी है कस्टमर का, राइट, रिसीव फ्रॉम मेकिंग परचेज। ओके, एडिशनली इट अटेम्प्ट टू assess the likelihood as the purchase the consumer will take repeat purchases for an ongoing business entity। देखिए एक बार खरीदेगा अगर दोबारा भी खरीदेगा तभी तो, अगर सेटिस्फाई हुआ तो दोबारा खरीदेगा, अगर वो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होगा तो वो दोबारा नहीं खरीदेगा, राइट। तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टेंड टू एनालाइज कस्टमर वैल्यू इन अटेम्प्ट टू सॉलिडिफाई देयर कस्टमर बेस, एनालाइज द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट along with marketing their products more effectively। Okay, fine. Now, what is definition of customer value? Customer value can be defined as an incremental benefit derived by a customer from consuming product for paying its cost. The term value signifies all the benefits being offered to the customer by the product. The equation of customer value is difference between the benefits of both tangible and intangible benefits and the cost, right? So this देखिए कस्टमर वैल्यू में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कस्टमर वैल्यू कैन बी डिफाइंड एज इंक्रीमेंटल बेनिफिट डिराइव्ड बाय द कस्टमर फ्रॉम कंज्यूमिंग अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर पेइंग दिस कॉस्ट। मतलब आपको कॉस्ट के पे जो कर रहा है उसके एवज में उसे कितनी सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल रहा है, राइट। तो बेनिफिट, देखिए बेनिफिट क्या है, बेनिफिट होना चाहिए कॉस्ट, और उसके बाद क्या है, पहले तो कस्टमर्स के लिए बेनिफिशियल होनी चाहिए, कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होनी चाहिए, तभी हमारी कस्टमर वैल्यू बढ़ेगी। ओके, नाउ कंज्यूमर वैल्यूज आर वेट अगेंस्ट कस्टमर वैल्यूज दैट आर असाइन्ड फॉर सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स and services and which would give similar benefits. Okay, consumer will purchase those products that offer the highest value amongst the offering in marketplace। अब जितने भी इस मार्केट में ऑफर्स हैं उन सबसे अच्छे ऑफर्स आपको देने चाहिए। each consumer holds a unique of needs and resource। देखिए हर कस्टमर की अलग अलग नीड होती है, हर उसके रिसोर्स अलग होते हैं। तो कस्टमर को पहचान के उनके हिसाब से रोज उनके वैल्यूज को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए, उनकी वैल्यू करनी चाहिए। तो उसके बाद है फाइव कस्टमर वैल्यू इज इम्पोर्टेंट। ये कस्टमर वैल्यू क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है? इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ कस्टमर वैल्यू फॉर सक्सेसफुल मार्केटिंग हैज बिकम एसेंशियल फॉर एवरी बिजनेस नाउअडेज। Customer has become one of the most important aspect. Why? I'll tell you. See, first of all, prospective customers are not specifically looking for your product or service। देखिए prospective customers are not especially looking for your product or service। मतलब कि जो पर्टिकुलर prospective customers हैं आपकी सर्विस के लिए ही नहीं देख रहे हैं मार्केट में, they are in search of products which fulfill their needs and wants। देखिए, दे आर इन सर्च ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, वो और भी प्रोडक्ट देखेंगे ताकि उनकी जो डिमांड है वो पूरी हो सके, जो नीड और डिमांड्स हैं वो पूरी हो सके, राइट? Determining customer needs and wants and setting to know how to help them in the specific needs is the key. Okay. Now, customer value means different things to different people who selling products to intrinsic characteristics do not change one customer to another customer. The consumer value of customer satisfaction being offered can be changed from one. Next one है understanding customer requirements help in alignment customer value, making very customer feel. Value is a very good service. However, some customers may be more valuable than others. Okay, now 5 steps to create customer value. Number one is understanding what is deriving value of customers. This can be known through research made by surveys or simple conversation and analyze their actions and reactions. In this way, business can understand what is important for customers and how they can create opportunities to help. Second one, understand the customer value proposition. According to the equation, customer values product behind minutes is cost. Determine what value of your product to service creates. What is price for them when the cost of usage of ownership, what amount is fine by use of the product. Okay, third one is identify those customers which are more value can be created related to the competitors. Different customers have different perspective of value in comparison to competitors based upon their geography density. This can be make a product attractive for a particular segment. Now fourth one, create a price which provides a win-win situation. Set a price, make the consumer feel they are being valued along with also maximize your share profits. So customers who are satisfied with value money of time willing to pay more. Okay, unsatisfied customers may even leave the product at the lower price. Now make an investment on most valuable customers. Allocate sales force, research and development and marketing investment disproportionately with customers and segments. Okay, so where the product best serves and offers the greatest value. Additionally, allocating growth capital in new product will attract more customers. How to deliver customer value? Offering distribution channels as well as payment options which make the process easy and convenient for customers. Second one, change in price will make customers feel valued and reducing price paying or it for giving something extra from competitors can be useful. Making customers feel for their patronage is valued by moving apart from the minimum acceptable offer. Creating and enhancing brand image which reinforce customer relationship and is in alignment with their values. I hope you have understood the session. If you have any query, then please ask me. I will definitely clarify your query. Thank you very much.